Hello. I am just out for a little afternoon walk with the pups, and I wanted to get some of the fall foliage. It's really turning a lot of oranges and reds right now. I'm going to turn this around. This is kind of one of the highest spots in Farmington, I think, maybe. I don't know, but I'm going to turn it around. It's a hill that goes up, and there's a water tower, and the people who do like kiting, they have like a club that jumps off from here. So I'm going to turn this around because it's really pretty. So we're walking up this big hill. See all the color? So pretty. I'm hoping when I get to the top, I'll have some nice views of color down below. I like listening to the crows. I've interrupted their area, so they're crowing and warning to their pals. Pretty. I love the red in the leaves. And there's a panoramic view. It looks really cool with the dark sky down below. Anyway, let's keep walking. And I'm not even all the way up at the top. It's just, I don't know if you can zoom in and see the color off in the distance. That is just so pretty. The bright yellow against the red makes it look like it's on fire. It's so pretty. Really cool. So here's the big water tower. And I guess a cell tower. And look, it's an apple tree. Look at that, it's loaded with apples. Too bad we didn't still have a lot of wild land so that the wild animals could eat the apples. Look at that, there's so many of them on the ground. Wow. Maybe I'll collect some. Oh wow, look at that. That is so pretty. The whole hillside is covered. Beautiful. Yeah, unfortunately, almost every single one of those apples had like, they weren't just spots. Some of them were split open. You could tell where bugs got into them. This is lovely. Look at that. Let me zoom it in. That is so cool. That is the Bowerman farm, I believe. Gotta watch out for the roots. So pretty. I don't know why we're all blurry. justice. Kids come up here and sled in the winter time too. Shh. Oh wow, look at it on this side. Look at that. Oh, it's pretty. It's way prettier in real life. Wow. These barking shelties. They just don't know how to be quiet. I think that hill over in there, I think, or maybe it's no, I don't think it's that one. I was trying to figure out where Bunker Hill was. I think it's that one, maybe. I think they call these hills drumlins. I don't know if they're all drumlins or just some of them, but anyway, I'm gonna take some pictures. Sit. Sit. Come here. What are you doing? Here. Come on. Whoa. No. I don't have anything. I have nothing. Head back down. It was close to their dinner time anyway, but the other thing I like to look at is what it would be like to paint like this scene, you know what I mean? like rain off there coming, and over in here. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, you see how it's like blue in the distance? You notice how the clouds look blue in the distance, but yeah, up here they're more of a gray. Well, that was one of the things I learned in my painting class that I took, that things further away are more like blue and less vibrant in colors. So it's interesting. I guess I probably already knew that, but it was just pointed out to me, so I thought it was, I don't know, now I notice it more than ever. So much easier for old Pippin to go down the hill than it is to go up the hill. He's cruising right along, and he was going pretty slow before. It's so dramatic, the dark sky behind the colors, you know. Yeah, pretty cool. So, haven't been here in a while. The last time I came up here, I had a friend come to stand up on the hill and do like a sunset picture where me and Max were kind of in shadow. It didn't exactly come out where I was in total shadow, but it was still cool. Well, going downhill is hard on your knees. Holy moly. Like, I can feel it in my right knee. That's so pretty. Well, I'm going to shut this off now because we're getting close to the bottom, even though it doesn't look like that in my video. I'm going to put the phone away and get the other dogs on leash. God, that tree, that one, the coloring of this is gorgeous. So pretty. Can't beat a maple tree in the fall, how pretty they are. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Good stuff.